Encountering the network-locked SIM card inserted error on your Straight Talk device means the SIM is restricted to Straight Talk's network. This often happens when you try using the SIM in an unlocked phone or switching carriers. The SIM card is locked to Straight Talk's network. This prevents use in other devices or carriers. First, ensure your account is active, in good standing with no unpaid balances, and has been active for at least 40 days. Then, contact Straight Talk customer support via their app, website, or by calling 1-877-430-2355. Provide your IMEI number and account details. Straight Talk is now required to provide unlock codes within 24 to 48 hours for eligible accounts due to recent FCC regulations. Once you receive the code, insert the SIM into your new device and enter the code when prompted. The future of SIM locking is rapidly changing with the rise of eSIM technology. Straight Talk has begun supporting eSIMs on select Android and iOS devices, which eliminates physical SIM locks. Keep an eye on eSIM adoption, as it is projected to significantly reduce network-locked errors. Also, be aware of the legal and ethical aspects of unlocking. Only use official methods to unlock your device. Unauthorized unlocking, e.g. via hacked codes, can void warranties or lead to account suspension. Straight Talk warns against using IMEI unlocking apps, which are often scams. Finally, remember that the unlock PIN is different from the SIM card's personal identification number, PIN. The unlock code removes the network lock, while the PIN secures the SIM itself.